Hi, I'm Alan. I'm a product expert here at Spy Guy Security. And in this video, we're going to go over the Tracking Key Pro. The Tracking Key Pro is a GPS tracker. More specifically, it's a GPS logger. And what that means is it just records everywhere a car goes. And you can use your computer to see that data. If you've ever used Google Maps before or Google Earth, it uses the exact same program. The only difference is you're going to see the path that the car took and then a little icon showing you exactly where the vehicle was. To use this tracker, what you're going to do first is take two AA batteries, put them inside here. The magnetic strip is used so that you can place it underneath a vehicle. All vehicles are made of metal. You can just go up to either the front or the back of the vehicle, take the tracker in your hand, and then it'll lock in on the vehicle. Totally safe and secure. You don't have to worry about it coming off by hitting like a speed bump or anything like that. You'll have to actually pull it off of the vehicle in order for it to separate from the magnet. The other thing you'll need to do once you've put in the batteries is turn on the power button. You'll just hit the power button, a light will come on to indicate that it is now tracking, and then go ahead and put it on the vehicle. Once on the vehicle, this thing has 80 hours of battery life. And what that means is 80 hours of actual drive time. This thing has a motion sensor inside of it. When the motion sensor doesn't sense movement, if the car is just parked somewhere, it's not using any battery life. So let's say the car is driving for 8 hours a day. That means you're going to get about 10 days of battery life before the AA batteries need to be swapped out. If the car is only driving for 2 hours a day, then that means you'll get 40 days of battery life before it needs to be swapped out. So the less the car is moving, the longer the battery life is going to be. Another thing you should know about this tracker is that it doesn't make any sound or anything like that, so you don't have to worry about anyone finding it. When you're ready to see where the tracker has been, what you'll do is take it off of the vehicle and then plug it into your computer. So it actually comes with a USB cable. You'll plug it right in to the tracker and then connect this end to your computer. Keep in mind, this only works on Windows computers. We do not have Mac compatibility with this tracker yet. Hope to have it sometime in the future, but right now you can only use this with a Windows computer. Once plugged into your computer, you'll just use the included software to pull the information that is on this GPS tracker and then import it into Google Maps. Basically, to sum that up, it'll just show you a big map showing you everywhere the car was. It's really pretty awesome. The Tracking Key Pro is accurate to about 7 feet or so. So what that means is if you pull up the map and it shows you where the vehicle is, it's accurate within about 7 feet. So that's more than enough to know exactly where the vehicle is. If you should have any questions about this tracker, then feel free to give us a call. Keep in mind, the manufacturer of this tracker actually has 24/7 tech support. So if you have any needs whatsoever, you need somebody to walk you through how to use this GPS tracker, by all means give us a call, but the manufacturer does have that 24/7 tech support in case you need it. The Tracking Key Pro is a great decision for a GPS tracker if you meet a certain number of factors. So number one is if you're trying to spend as little money as possible. These are the most affordable GPS trackers available. And that's because all it does is it tells you where the car has been. It does not let you see where the car currently is. So you can only track past data. You cannot log in from your phone. You can't see where it currently is or get text message alerts or anything like that. If you want a real-time GPS tracker, you'll need to look at something like our Outlander GPS tracker. That's the one that we recommend, or maybe even the Silver Cloud Tag GPS tracker. The other upside to this GPS tracker is that it doesn't have any monthly fees. Real-time GPS trackers have monthly fees associated with them, whereas this one, you just buy the unit and you're done. You don't have to pay any monthly fees. If you have any questions, feel free to open up a live chat with customer care, or you can also call the 800 number that's on our website. And just let us know if you have any questions whatsoever. We're happy to help.